Okay, this is a video of my just completed install of an easy power steering unit made in Sweden in my 1970 Opel GT. Alright, so got a nice 2.4 engine with fuel injection. And right here is where I tapped into main battery power for the power steering at my junction block. I tapped into ignition power at my control box for my Dakota digital dash. As you can see, I have my fuse box and various other gizmos mounted behind the seat. That is the easy power steering unit made to fit an Opel GT. In this particular setup, I am using the potentiometer that they supplied that basically is active all the time at whatever setting you have. If you have a tachometer with an electronic output signal, you could have the system come on only when you're going at low speed or parking, and then it more or less kind of turns off at high speed. That's the potentiometer right there. I currently have it set to 0 assist. My ignition is turned on, and I can't move my steering wheel very much with my finger. I have 8-inch wide high traction tires. Car's sitting up on my lift, and it's cold, so the whole car is stiff and not moving. So now if I go underneath and turn the potentiometer all the way, I can now turn my steering extremely easy with one finger. That's about all I can do to show you that it's working. But there we go, a successful install of easy power steering on my 1970 Opel GT. Now I gotta put my seat back in. Okay, see ya.